So in this video, I'll show you how to use the slicer. So we've got this data with all the different houses from different cities. Slicer is basically like a drop-down to let you look at parts of the data. So we're going to go to Data and add a slicer. Okay, now where it says the data range, we're actually going to go back to our big spreadsheet with all the data. And in the top left corner, there's like blank box. If you select that, that selects everything. So it's from the thing that we call clean, the tab, and then it's basically all the data. Okay. So I'm going to edit this to choose one of the variables that might be interesting, like maybe how many bedrooms the place has. If I select it, I can copy and paste maybe another couple of slicers. Okay, and then maybe we also, let's do 3 variables. And what this will allow me to do is to like look at graphs, which is part of the data. So I'm going to edit it. We don't want 3 that are just looking at the number of beds. Let's make one with baths. And then we go to the 3 dots, edit this one. Let's look at square feet. All right, cool. So from here we can make a graph. Let's insert a chart. I'm going to make a column chart. For my X, I'm going to use the city, and for the series, we'll look at the price. But as you can see, there's no data here, so when we click on that, we got to go back to our tab that says clean and highlight the city. So here's where the city is. See, it says go to the clean tab, A12, but we actually want the entire column, so click on the letter. Good. We're going to aggregate this. So here is all of the, basically the number of listings we have from each city. Under series, I'm going to click that, and let's go back to our data, the tab that has all the data, and let's look at how the price is affected. So if you click on an individual cell, that only gives you one house. Click on the whole column. There you go. All right, so it didn't do it. Let me click on series again, and we'll go to price. Cool. I don't know why they have 2 prices on here. Let's remove one of those. And Ann Arbor has a really expensive house up there, so we this is like sum. It means they're adding all the listings. There's one like really expensive Ann Arbor house. So let's do median. All right, so San Francisco a little bit more expensive. Cool. Well, that's like a lot of work to get that chart. But the great thing about using the slicer now is I can click on that, and what I can do is unselect and select like the types of data I want to look at. So if I clear everything out, I can only look at the 3 bedrooms. Okay, so if I'm just looking at 3 bedrooms, San Francisco is way more expensive. Okay, so I'm gonna put all those back on, select all. Okay, back to normal. Now let's look at ones with, let's say 2 baths. Oops, wait, let me clear all of them. Just look at 2 baths. Okay, Sacramento actually with 2 baths is getting pretty close to San Francisco. And then I can combine these, so let's clear these out. 3 bed, 2 bath. Okay, so then again, San Francisco much higher. Another thing I can do is I can make a condition. So like I can make it greater than or less than a certain amount. So let's say square feet, like how big the place is. I can hit this condition, and then let's do for houses that are less than or equal to 2,000 square feet. Okay. All right. You can even do between. So let's say we're looking for ones that are between, let's say 1,000 square feet and 2,000 square feet. Oops, there we are. Sounds good. And then I can look at the data for that. Well, in San Francisco, again, very expensive. So for these kind of like normalish size houses, 3-bed, 2-bath, you can see there is a big difference. And that's it. Now if I want to go back to normal, I can go to this condition, select all, go to this condition, select all, oops, here we go. Let's select all. Okay. So now it is all set. Oh, this condition I'm gonna, if I want to reset it, just go back to none. And it should be all good to go. You can also show, again, the edit. You can show the median, the max, the average. If I do the average, Ann Arbor is going to be a little higher. If I just do the max, okay, you can see which one is there. Oh, I still have the bath filter on. Select all. Okay. Yeah, so Ann Arbor has this one really expensive house.